Right side, right side.
Is it still sandwich?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna hit one guy like 7 times.
Let's sweep inside. Let's go inside. All right, you see where I'm at from here. The guy at our 10 o'clock, a few of them. Yeah, this dude needs to watch his head. I'm gonna shot my own teammate in the back of the head. I see my next spot where I want to hit. You got him? Yeah. Nice.
He was walking by.
This time I just ran straight up, right down the middle. I got it.
Hintay mo ako. Sandali. Sandali. Uy. Sandali ha.
Can I use some of that wax?
Yeah. Yeah, back boxes. We got one in between, one coming out the right side.
Hey, watch the right.
Hey, one's gone, one's gone.
Is it clear enough for me to move to those girls?
Yeah, you're good. Ready? Go. Changing mags! What's up? I just announce it so that way everyone knows to cover me. What's up? We got a couple in the back, but it's pretty much covered on this side. I don't know how it is on left or center though.
Here.
Okay. We got, see these 2 boxes? The white boxers straight ahead over there. We had one that was popping up in that gap and one on the right side. It's the guy that came out from the right side. But ready? Want it?
Let me see. I want to see where we're gonna move at. Let's move up to these white boxes over here. Let's see if we can
Which
go
ones?
it.
Those? Oh, where our guys are at?
Yeah.
Okay. You should be able to make it there.
Right.
Just as long as they're watching that left side. Right behind you. Sorry, once I get full speed, it's hard for me to stop. What you got on that left side, Rob? You good on that side? Okay. Where's he at? Where's he at? Oh, I see him. I see his head. Yeah. Get him there, get him. No, he's still there. He's coming out their right side now. Got him, got him. Yeah. Good shit, good shit. We both just took this guy out right now at the same time. Woo! Yeah.
I got 3 on this one.